As a young person, one of the best gifts you can give yourself this 2025 will be to start an online business. Hear me out. What this does is it increases your consciousness on your personal development journey. It takes your personal development to the next level. Usually when people think of an online business, the next step which they try to go into is to come up with a logo, come up with some branding assets, set up a business plan, figure out how they are going to get sales, figure out how they're going to get marketing, figure out how they are going to organize their business, select the platform, and do all of that stuff. But you realize that in doing these things, you are actually improving the quality and the value of knowledge that you take in. For instance, you discover that you start watching videos from similar creators who have gone ahead, similar business people who have gone ahead in your industry, similar people who have gone ahead, basically just in life. And that entire process builds you up, sums up your spirit, and takes you to the next level, even on an internal energy level. So for me, I think one of the biggest shifts that I've had throughout my life was when I decided to start up my very first online business. It pushed me to want to learn how to edit videos. It pushed me to want to learn how to edit pictures, run digital marketing campaigns, set up social media for companies, and all that other stuff. And I think that's been one of my biggest personal development changes so far. So let me know, what online business are you thinking of starting this year? Drop that in the comment section below, and I might just make a video to better explain to you how you could go about getting sales, getting marketing on the internet.